I can't stop eating this cabbage, carrot, and apple salad. It's so fresh and crunchy. To make this salad, we're starting with 1/4 of a head of cabbage. I'm slicing it into thin strips. Next, I'm grating 1 carrot and setting it aside. It's a simple salad, but the flavor will seriously surprise you. It's crispy, fresh, and comes together in just minutes. This one will win your heart. Now let's chop up some chives. And before I forget, let me know what city you're watching from so I can send you a big shout out. Today's shout out goes to Obo King from Nigeria. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. I'm squeezing the juice of 1 lemon into a bowl, straining it to remove the seeds. Now we're cutting 1 apple into quarters, removing the seeds, and slicing it thinly. Let's transfer all those ingredients into a large bowl. I'm seasoning with 1 teaspoon of salt, the lemon juice, a drizzle of olive oil, and mixing everything really well. What's your favorite kind of salad? I'd love to hear about it. I'm always on the hunt for new ideas. Easy, healthy, and absolutely delicious. You really can't go wrong. Every time I make this at home, there's never any left. This salad is super refreshing and full of flavor. Perfect for warm days and great as a side dish for just about any meal.